everyone, welcome aboard my Barney Studios. Enjoy the show. Barney 15, Commodore 64 edition.
What a perfect time to be on my Commodore 64. I wonder what I could do today. Wait, what? What just happened here?
We interrupt your Commodore 64 session to bring you a Barney error. Barney was killed by Ethan V0206EXE. Ethan V0206EXE put a bomb inside Barney's lair. The bomb will explode in 2 days and 10 hours. Please do not turn off your Commodore 64. You get 12 chances. Repeat, do not turn off your Commodore 64, because if you do, then Barney will get very mad at you. Please try to remember that.
You can't tell me what to do. I'll do whatever I want, and nothing will stop me. I'm going to turn it off anyway.
I see that you've turned off your Commodore 64 once. Please do not do it again. If you do, a time reduction will occur.
You know what? Screw this. I'm turning it off again.
You've turned it off again. I told you not to do that. Did I not? The timer is now down to 1 day and 20 hours. Really? Third time already? Now I'm starting to get annoyed. The timer is now down to 1 day and 5 hours. Every time you turn off your Commodore 64, the time will reduce more. You're still not listening to me, are you? Now you have 8 chances and the time has been reduced to 15 hours. Now stop turning off your Commodore 64.
You know what? I'll just block the screen. Hey, it actually worked.
How dare you block me? You know I need to see you. That counts as turning off you. Hey, I didn't finish my sentence. How dare you turn off your Commodore 64 before I could finish my sentence? I'm starting to get angry right now. You only have 6 chances and the time has been reduced to 45 minutes. Well, what do you know? 7 turned offs and 2.5 minutes flat. How crazy is that? You really need to stop these shenanigans. Okay, listen up. If you turn it off one more time, I will be furious at you. Now please, start turning it off. Oh, no. How freaking dare you punch me? That's it. I am now furious with you. You only have 3 chances left. Don't waste them. You still think I'm kidding, don't you? Well, I'm not. So stop turning off your Commodore 64 or else. The timer is now down to 45 seconds. Guess who is the one who turned it off once again? You. That's it. This is your last chance. Because if you turn it off one more time, you will not like what happens. Okay, I calm down. I am no longer furious. But I won't kill you. Instead, I will give you an extra chance. I'm only saying that because the time has been reduced to 15 seconds. You have to enter the code within that time. This is the only way to get your Commodore 64 back right now. If you get the code right, you will get your Commodore 64 back. But if you get the code wrong, you will lose your Commodore 64.
If the code was right.
Congratulations! You've entered the correct code. Now you can go back to your computer session. Sorry about the error showing up. I promise it won't happen again. Goodbye.
Once evil genius's Commodore 64 rebooted itself.
Thank goodness. I'm sure glad to be back on my Commodore 64. I sure hope another error doesn't show up.
If the code was wrong.
I'm sorry, but the code you entered was incorrect. The correct code was 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. If you entered that, you would have been able to go back to your computer session. But I'm afraid that didn't happen. So, this means you are banned from your computer. You won't have it back for a very long time. Now that I will crash it.
Oh no. My Commodore 64 crashed. Now I don't have it anymore.
It's shopping time.